Want to see how your animated masterpiece takes shape before you even start animating? Let's dive into creating a basic animatic right here in Adobe After Effects, the perfect tool for storyboarding your amazing ideas. First, open After Effects and create a new composition. Think of this as your blank canvas. Set your resolution and frame rate to your desired final output, and ensure the duration is long enough for your entire animatic sequence. Now, we'll build our storyboard within the composition. Import your storyboard images, sketches, or even basic placeholder illustrations. These will become the visual representations of your scenes. Arrange each image on separate layers in the timeline. Next, add text layers. Include descriptions, timing notes, dialogue, and any contextual information for each scene. To give your animatic life, add basic camera movements. Use simple keyframe animations, such as scaling, positioning, or rotating on your image layers to simulate camera pans, zooms, or tilts. This adds dynamism to your static images. Then, import your audio, dialogue, recordings, temporary voiceovers, background music, and sound effects. Arrange them on the timeline, syncing them up to your image layers according to the timing of each scene. This helps feel the timing of each scene. Finally, play back your animatic. Review the pacing, timing, and overall flow of your story. Make adjustments as needed, and there you have it, a basic animatic created entirely in After Effects. Your animatic is a fantastic tool for visualizing ideas, testing timing, and getting feedback before starting full animation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help the algorithm and stay informed on more animation secrets.